Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about record the video from using the webcam in the React. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically I'm going to record a video using the React webcam. So first it will come up with the this one that allow to use the camera and the microphone. So make sure to need to allow it. Okay, after this you can see that my face is coming over here, and let's hide this. And we have a button start capture. Okay, so let's start it. And now here I'm just make a, and let's stop capture and download. And here we go with this one. Voice and everything is recorded right now. Okay, so let me mute this. Where is mute tab? Right, so here you can see that the voice and the video both are recorded, right? Okay, so what I have done this, let's dive into the code level. Okay, so here we have this one. So this is the full-fledged code for the recording, or you can see about the how to just do the record the video in React using the webcam. So whenever you open the webcam, you want to record something, so you can record like this. Okay, so we are using the React, use callback, use ref, use state from the React, and then we are using the React webcam and the record RTC. Okay, so this is the export default function, that is webcam video. So these are the initialization of the states. So make sure you have to initialize that one. That is the recording, set recording, recording chunks, set recording chunks. By default, it should be a blank. Okay, then here we are checking that the use callback data size is greater than 0. Then we are going to set the recorded chunks previous, and previous concat the data, and then set the recording chunks. Okay, so next one that we are going to click on the handle capture, handle start capture click. So when I click on the capture, so record RTC will help you to record starting. Okay, so media recording ref current start recording. So on data available, then click on the handle available button we will call, and then webcam start recording media ref and handle data available we are going to set. Okay, next stop capture, so it will make the set recording to be false. Okay, and then we are going to set the recording chunks as a blob. Okay, next one that is the download one. So this is the format in which I want to download it, right? So here I'm going to create a link, and after creating a link I will make a window.url revoke object url to be click on it. So this is the name of that file that will come over here. Okay, this is the download code where you can download the whatever you have record, right? And the last one, that is where here we have the webcam with the height, width, audio, mirror and ref. So this is, make sure you have to whatever the webcam package offers, you can manage accordingly, right? So here we have the buttons that we have a stop capture, start capture and the download. So recorded dot chunks dot length is greater than 0, then download button will appear, and when I click on this download button it will download the recording. Okay, so this is that one, that how you can record a video from a webcam in React. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.